Hey guys, Chris.Donley here with Guarantee RV Centers in Junction City, Oregon, and we're going to be looking at a 2015 Minnie Winnie today. This is the 27Q that we just took in on trade. Let's check it out. So typically you come in here and see a dinette. I do have the dinette for this, however they preferred the theater seating, so you could have one or the other in this one. We do have both. Of course, classic Class C, you've got your bunk up above, plenty of room for 2 people or 5 or 6 kids, however you want to stack them. And then coming over to the kitchen here, nice counter space that Winnebago's known for. They still give that to you in here. And good drawers and stuff, good storage up above. Pretty simple, everything's all right here together. Coming back a little bit, you do have a fridge. Pantries with sliding drawers. This bathroom's gonna be all in one. So you don't have the split shower or anything. So if you got kids or anything like that and people need to kind of rotate and do stuff, they can all take care of everything all at once in here. Take care of it all. And then coming back to the back, you've got a walk around queen bed. Good storage. Got the his and hers, or if it's like my family, the hers and hers. Cabinets there. And so anyways, a lot of stuff in this 27-foot package. Very well kept, low miles. Come check it out. I'd love to show it to you. Ask for Chris.